we will learn how to erase empty rows in a dataset and also how to fill with information those empty rows. So let's start. So first of all, we import pandas PD, and then we read our dataset. So we use the function read CSV, and we write our path, which is this one. And today we are doing Titanic dataset CSV. As we saw in the previous video, we need the R. Take literal this diagonal. Don't use it as escape character. And also, this function is with pandas PD. And we will rename this line as my file. Then we will check like how many rows does it has. So I use my file dot shape. Print that result me. And it has 418 rows with 12 columns. So now let's check if it has any empty records. So there is a function in pandas that is null. So obviously I need to write the file. My file is null. And also print the result for me. See the result. So okay, it's telling me that is null here in cabin is true, that there is not any value, is null, but it's hard to see that way. So we will add another function with sum. See, tell me the numbers, how many are nulls. So it says age are 86 missing values. And also for cabin, there is 326 missing values. Okay, so we will fix it. So first, we will erase that data just for academic purpose, because I can see here that this is a small data set. It has 418 rows. And if we erase the missing data, we will erase 327. So we will remain with 80 something, which is not good because we are erasing a lot of information. But just for academic purpose, let's do that. So there is a function called drop NA, drop values. And obviously we need to write the file to my file drop NA, okay? And for this case, I need to use in place equal to true. So in this moment, Python can modify the name and give me the result in the dataset. So I need to visualize the result after this line. Okay, first drop the missing values and then print how many are still there. Okay, let's do it. And here we can see that it dropped. But if we check the shape, now I small verify that. And yes, it's now 87, which is not good because it lost a lot of information. So, okay, that's good to know. So now we will return the previous data set. And so just to make sure, we will print the info, my file, info. Okay, now we went back to normal, 418 rows. So now, because we know that age was with 80 something missing values, we will get the average of the passengers and we will fill that in that null values with the average. So for that, we need first of all to get the average, the travels, the age. So for that, there is a function mean, and obviously we need to specify my file with dataset, and we need to specify the columns we want to move. So the column is age. So average age, we are expecting to get a value of all the passengers in. Let's get age. What was the value? So we find out that 30 years old was the value, the average for Titanic passenger. So now we are gonna fill the missing values with that age. So are you ready? Okay. So Pandas has another function for us, which is fill NA, fill missing values with our average age, the value we just get, the 30 years old. So we need to indicate which data frame. So obviously my file and fill it to age. Oh my God, it's age dot NA. Okay. So this result, you will assign it to dataset in the age. So in this way, we're assigning, we are filling the number age with the average age data set. Okay, so let's do it. Let's run this, and we will open straight this one. This is the data frame of my file that we just filled them up. You can see here more clearly, and we see that in the number 10, it filled with our number 30 years old. So in the 22, okay, we can see here that Pandas did the job. Thank you, Pandas. So now just to make sure, I will just check is null again on my data frame. My file dot and give me the zoom. Make it easier for me. So excellent. We don't have any missing age because we fill it with the average age, and we only remain with these missing values because we haven't touched that column. Isn't that great? Well, thanks for watching.